Hey my loves, and welcome back to Living Life with Meso. So today I'll be making something simple for dinner. I'll be making Utazi, Oba, palm oil sauce, and boiled white yam. So this is me like cutting the yam so I can boil it. I like cutting it this size so that like four will be enough for each person. So don't forget to always clean up when you're done. So yeah, so this is me cleaning up. I mean washing my yam, washing it clean so that I can start boiling it, adding it to the pot, adding my water, boiling my yam, adding my salt, just a little bit salt. So while all my yam is boiling, I'll prepare my sauce. I already added my palm oil, my onions. I'll be adding crayfish and little pepper, and I'll be leaving it to fry for a bit, just for a bit. Then when that's done, I'll add my uba, that's Ukpaka. Then I'll add it and let it cook. At this point, I'll just be adding my spices, my Maggi, my lasome spice, my spice mix, then some salt to taste. Then I'll add remaining onions and the star of the show, the Utazi leaves. Yes, I know it's bitter, but that is the star of my sauce. So yes, so guys, the sauce is already ready. So I'm just letting it cook, everything cook. Doing a quick taste. You have to taste your food to make sure that it tastes nice. So me checking up on my yam. My yam is done. It's cooked nicely. So this is me dishing out the food. You can see how that yam is looking delicious, sweet, smooth, and cooked. So this is me adding my sauce to the side. Okay, dinner is what's ready. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Do well to try out my recipe. Okay, bye.